I have heard what you said, but I want to also say that a marriage is better recognized when they go into the church and receive the blessing of God by the priest.
Mama, how can you say a thing like that? What counts is paying for the dowry. Traditionally, I think that's what Igbo people recognize us. It's not until we wear wedding gown, go to church, invite so many people to do all this their wedding drama that people will recognize that we are married. Then, in the long run, we can invite Pastor James to come bless our union. That is what matters.
Right. Yeah. But all I am still saying, I understand what you are saying. You say you want a simple wedding, a simple whatever. But I also want a simple one. But at least a church wedding will do. Pick on now.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Ifoma and I, we want something simple. We don't want all this crowded wedding. Those people that did all those big weddings, they still get to divorce, don't you know?
No, wait. Look at what you are calling it, crowded drama. Do you know that I have been looking forward to a day when you will get married in the church and I will be doing the Ngala in it? You want to prevent me from the Ngala now?
Ngala is your problem. Don't worry, when I give birth, you do your own Ngala. When you see your grandchildren, that Ngala is enough now. Obinna. Alright, Mama.
Okay.
My friend, I am so happy for you and Obinna. The way you two agree on things, it's so romantic. Hey!
See, honestly, I cannot wait to be his wife.
Calm down. It's just remaining very small and you two will end up together forever.
I like that one. Together forever.
Sorry.
Obinna, you and I know very well how mothers love parties, especially the one that will be happening in their own compound. Your mother has been attending others a traditional wedding, white wedding, even house opening. She will remain grateful. In fact, both of them will remain grateful and happy that this one, they are alive to witness it. And I know you have the money. Take money from this your shop or from your business, give to your wife. In fact, give them the money, let them arrange everything so everybody will enjoy. It's your wedding, for Christ's sake.
My guy, money is not a problem like you said. At least I can organize something within my power. But the problem is, Ifoma and I, we don't want a loud party. We want something simple, within family and friends. Not like a loud do this one, play music, put canopy, and no, we don't want something like that.
I see, you are still getting me confused. I don't understand the difference between a loud party, a small party. I mean, if you, okay, now from what you said now, if you call your family, Ifoma's family, few friends like me, understand, small DJ, all this local DJ, do you understand? No, sorry.
My wedding and then as what now?
No, now as in this local DJs with CD plays and all that. You bring them, they will be playing small music and all that. People will be eating. Those that would like to drink will drink. And you see, you may not the wedding now.
We're almost saying the same thing now. It's not like I won't do that. I will invite family and just close people. Indoor party within family, not the loud. Of course there will be food and drinks now, that one a must, but not like I will put canopy, invitation card, all those kinds of no.
But are you aware that this thing is once and for all? You will not do it again after this one. Now the next thing is child education.
Calm down now. It's my wedding. It's what I want.
It's your wedding and you are my friend, so I have to advise you on how to do everything so that you will not disgrace me that day.
Come, I'm beginning to suspect you. Are you sure it's not because of food that is making you say
look at Obinna. Me that will be busy that day sharing things, making sure that everything goes well. The only place I work for you as a friend, because I know you have a trust on me. If they spray money, anything cash comes out, I will gather them because I know that you are spending the more money from this shop, so that after your wedding we will restock the shop. Me eat food. What is food for
you? Eat food. This your bowel stomach that say you eat food.
Obinna, I'm not eating anything. Meanwhile, are you cooking swallow or rice? So because I need to tell the people that are coming what we have, like menu.
Sweetheart, you see, this is their wedding, okay? Let's allow them to do their things. You know my daughter Ifeoma is not a crowd type.
Eh? Why is it that whenever it comes between I and Ifeoma, you must choose to support her? Eh? You can never give me small support. This is her traditional wedding. My daughter's traditional wedding. My only daughter. This is the opportunity I have to invite my friends to join me and dance.
I know, I understand. But see, let me tell you, you know Ifeoma too well. She has made up her mind already. So please, let us allow those poor children be.
Supporters Club.
Sweetheart.
I hear your voice.
Now you are talking.
But you, let me ask you, are you trying to calm me down or are you adding salt to my injury?
I know mothers and their daughters.
Thank you.
So please, in this case, allow these children be.
She's my daughter, okay?
I know.
She will reconsider.
Why, calm down. Nothing mega.
She will reconsider. So what?
You sent for me.
Sit down.
I hope there is no problem.
Ifeoma, there is no problem. But I believe if I ask you for a favor, you should do it for me. Why don't you reconsider your stance on this wedding? Eh? See, yes, you don't want an occasion. Small thing, no big, very small thing.
I am surprised you are still talking about this wedding of a thing. I have told you my decisions and I expect you to accept it. Eh? I know that having an occasion means a lot to you, but I want a simple wedding.
Oh? Why don't you like occasions?
Not as if I don't like occasions. Or like I said, I want a simple wedding.
Ifeoma, is not fair. Or they were fair. It's not fair. Eh? See Mama Nkiru, when her second daughter Nkechi was getting married, the woman came out and danced. See Mama Kudu. Even though she works with a walking stick, she still came out and danced. Mona get the complete, and you don't want me to exhibit my dancing skills. Mama,
I'm not Nkiru and Akudo. I'm Ifeoma and your mommy Ifeoma. Eh?
So bad. Oh, so bad.
My love, looking at your face every morning brings me joy. Your smile is priceless. I cannot wait to make you mine forever.
Same here.
It's just that my mother is making me feel guilty, as if I owe her an occasion.
I know, but you don't have to worry. What counts is what we believe in, right?
Yes. As long as we agree as one, then so be it.
And as long as we are happy.
Yes.
Wow, can Saturday just come?
Same here. I can't wait. I can't wait to be yours. Honestly, I can't.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Marina, it is very, very obvious that they have already made up their minds on what to do. I'm telling you. See, all we have to do is just to support them.
I know, but why? Why will our own be different? Eh? I have always practiced, even in my dream, the kind of dance I was supposed to dance for my daughter's traditional marriage.
Hey, again, hey.
It
is the dream of every woman. It is. But this time now, these children have already made up their minds on what to do. So, what can we do? What can we do?
But we can still do something. Why don't you talk to Obinna? Beg him to convince Ifeoma. Eh?
You know the daughter you have. You know her much more than I do. And you know that wedding, it behoves the girl to say, this is how I want it. But your own daughter is different now. You know her. They have already said no to it. They have already made up their mind. So there is nothing we can do.
Mama, why is your face like that? I hope all is well. Ebere, you ask as if you've not been around and you don't know what is happening. Look around you. Tomorrow is your friend's wedding, my only daughter. And not one canopy. Not one chair. And you're asking me if all is well.
Mama, I understand. But we still have to accept her wish.
We have to accept her wish because we don't have a choice. That does not mean I'm happy about it.
Where is she?
She's at the backyard.
Let me see her.
My own would always be different.
What are you doing?
You're obviously not blind. I'm washing my clothes now.
How can you be washing clothes on a day like this? Eh? Look at your hair. My friend, is this how you're going to look tomorrow?
What is wrong with my hair? My hair is okay.
Everything is wrong with your hair. Are you going to get married like this tomorrow? Eh? What am I even saying? No. You are going to make your hair this minute.
I don't have that kind of strength.
No, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, and you must do it. Let's go and make your hair.
Baby, you just want to stress me. I'm okay.
Let me stress you. Go and make your hair.
I don't have money.
No problem, let's go.
Who will not pay?
It is not your business. Go and make your hair.
I'm saying I don't have.
Okay, let's go and make your hair, Biko.
KJ.
Don't be offended. What are you doing here? I mean, what are you doing here today? What are you doing here?
What am I doing in my shop?
Yes, I know it's a shop. What are you doing here?
I'm pounding fufu.
You are pounding fufu. Are you not supposed... Okay, have you forgotten that tomorrow is your wedding day? You will be getting married officially, traditionally, tomorrow. Are you not supposed to be in the salon? At least shave, barb good hair, look good, so that your in-laws, when they come, they will say, this person is okay. And you are here telling me that you are pounding fufu.
Which one is tomorrow? If tomorrow is my wedding and so, I'm not throwing occasion now. Even what I'm doing can be done at night. It's just get together, family and friends. That's why I need to go and do. Please, you're taking this thing too elaborated. It's just a small party.
I mean, every time you say small party. Okay, you yourself as the man that will be getting married, are you not supposed to sit down, watch the things that have been done and the ones that have not been done? And you are there saying it's a small party. Okay, even if everything has been done, would you rest against tomorrow?
My brother, there is nothing there. It's just, I just want to take few stocks. At least restock, so that after wedding I'll start selling. Nothing is...
Obinna, lock up this shop, let's go.
How?
Which one is
lock up the shop? Let's go.
Lock up this shop, let's go. Tomorrow is your day. I don't want people to hear this.
One, I beg.
Obinna, for the last time, in fact, for the first time, take my order. Lock up this shop, let's go. We need to go to your house now. Yes. I can't allow you to be disgracing people, even especially people like me. Tomorrow people will say that your friend, that I advise you. How can you be having a wedding tomorrow?
It's my wedding now. Why you? It's my own wedding now. I will. Please. Wait. At least let me stock up first now, so that after the wedding I'll just start selling.
Start selling. There's no problem. Please, let's pack these things and go. You can even do that one after your honeymoon. Let's go. Pack. Which kind of life is this? Even if possible, self, you will still pack some provisions and even come on your weekly day and tell your guests to buy. Pack, let's go.
I've already called the woman that will supply me snacks. If she comes now, what will not happen?
The woman that will supply you snacks. It's better the woman comes and see that you are no. By the way, did you tell the woman that tomorrow is your wedding? Oh, you even order for snacks. And if guys not taking, you still order for snacks against tomorrow.
No, Zubu, help me, let's pack.
That's what you say. Oh, you even go back crazy. I'm going to go and do that for true. Let me start from.
Adanne Mono. Hey! Obinna. Well, you've seen that our in-laws are here. It's time for you to show us whom your husband is. Husband? Only now for band there. Oh, yeah. I want you to take this wine. Show the entire village whom your husband is. One day more. Adam is like, it's alright. Okay, mama.
My son is a handsome man.
And then you said I should take this. My brother, my daughter said I should receive this. The hour has come.
Yes.
As the father of this family. Oh, I don't know the if he became.
If he's go.
You see the type of husband my daughter I say it shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. You will have the number of children you want to have. Everything you do shall go well with you. If you fire one, you will get 3. If you do 4, you will get 7. How shall it be? Let the celebration start.
Your smile is so priceless. You are the light my world. You complete me so much more.
It completes me more. Waking up next is all I've ever dreamt of.
Nothing will ever separate us. How was your night?
Very well. And yours?
Splendid. Beside you is everything. Beside you is everything.
Okay. I'm gonna make you breakfast.
How about if I make it for you?
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing here?
I'm peeling cassava.
You're peeling cassava. Who asked you to peel cassava? Don't you know that you are a newly wedded wife? You are supposed to be in there doing something in that room. Now, this cassava, if you want a trailer load of it, it is in that room. Go and peel it there. You are laughing. Go and peel cassava. There is cassava in that room. Go and you are laughing. Look at this girl. Get up.
Mama, no.
Give me, Joe. Give me. Go in there and peel that cassava inside that room. Go. Don't you know that you are a newly married girl? You are supposed to
Okay, Mama, let me
do
just
some duties inside that room. Obinna.
Let me just finish cassava then. I'll go in.
I didn't keep this cassava here for you to peel. Girl, there is cassava for you to peel in there. So go. Get up!
Mama, let me just finish it then I'll go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This girl, you're peeling cassava for me. I don't know how to peel cassava.
Going out?
Oh yes. You see, my supplier called me. He said there's something important he wants us to discuss. So I have to meet him up.
Can't it wait? Can go tomorrow.
No, baby. He's traveling tomorrow. We just want to meet him up. I'll be back before you know it.
Please don't stay long.
No, I'm not staying long.
I won't help you.
Don't worry. To really rush. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Please don't stay long.
No, I won't be. I won't stay.
Yeah, Ifeoma, you are here pressing phone. I told you to go inside your husband's bedroom. Didn't I say that?
Mama, he's not around. He went out.
He went out? Yeah, children of nowadays. Where did he go to? Where did he go to that is more important than spending time with his wife? In short, let me call him. Get me my phone.
Mama, don't worry. He will soon be back. What he went to do is very important.
Very important, Papa. Oh, more important. So, spending time with his wife is less important. Is it what you are saying?
No.
Then what are you saying?
Don't worry. He'll be back soon.
Okay, if you say so, but please call him. Call him. Call him. This kind of bedroom.
Mama, this walking up and down is making me dizzy. What is it now? Sit down. Have you not still gotten me?
It's not going through.
It's not going through. It's not going. What are they saying? Those people there, what are they saying?
Not reachable. He's saying not reachable.
No, not reachable. Not reachable. Maybe he didn't get his consignment early, or there is no network where he is to call us. Eh?
I hope so. 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 I hope so.
It is so. It is so. Stop working yourself up. Ifeoma, this one you're walking up and down. You're making me dizzy.
Oh, please protect my husband, oh.
God is going to protect you. You may sit down now. Let's wait for him.
I cannot sit down, no. I cannot sit down. I cannot. What are we going through?
So what do you want to do? Let's sit and wait for him. Eh? Let's wait for him now. It's not connected.
Not connecting.
Mama, seriously, in the sense, I have come to understand and know the kind of person Obinna is. Obinna, he hardly sleeps outside without telling me or telling anyone. I am his closest friend. If Obinna want to do anything now, I must be the first person to know. But this one baffles me. I don't even know that. Am I doing him again?
It still baffles me that Obinna can stay out of the house up to this time. Up to this time without at least making a phone call to anybody.
Well, Mama,
I hope my son is fine.
Mama, Obinna is fine. Obinna is a grown. You know him very. Obinna is not a small boy. So I believe that wherever Obinna is now, he's very, very fine.
Hello? Yes, Ifeoma speaking. Yes?
What?
Mama, Jesus!
Mama!
What
Ifeoma, you need to stop all this. See, once there is life, there is hope. Eh? You cannot continue like this. Where is your mother-in-law?
I don't know. She went out in trouble.
Okay, please call this number again. Eh?
Call it. The number is not connecting again. It's not connecting. The number is not connecting.
The person will call again. I'm sure that the battery is down or something.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Don't worry.
Woman, please stop crying, okay? Crying won't solve anything. Ebere.
Sir?
How is your friend doing?
Sir, she's not doing fine. Not at all. She's looking very sick and unhealthy. Sir, I feel she needs someone around her every second.
My daughter needs me now. As you look at me, I am going to Umwebu immediately. Nechere.
Ebere, has the man called back my daughter?
Not yet, sir.
Hello? How is my husband? Can I talk to him?
Is he okay? Where is he? Where? Which hospital? Okay, I'll be there now. I'll be there. I'm coming.
What did he say?
He said he's in his hospital.
In the hospital?
Yes.
Oh my God.
My heart is also. Is he okay? I don't know. He said he will send the address. So let me go and pack some of them.
I will go with you.
No, Mama, no. Let me go with Njoko. I want to see my son. Mama. I will call you when I get him. Don't have all the time. Oh, I'm coming. Let me go and pack. Jesus, please save my son's life. Please save my son's life. Whatever it is, save his life. Save his life.
Please, ma, don't disturb him, okay? He needs to rest. Ma, calm down.
Calm down. Nothing will happen to you. It's fine. No. It's fine.
Are you sure? Is he breathing? Are you sure?
He's fine.
Are you sure?
Nothing will happen to your Obinna. Is it not Obinna? Have you seen everyone that's sick and looking this handsome? No.
Are you sure?
Calm down, ma. It's okay.
Let's go and see.
Okay, let's go.
Let's office now.
Hey!
It's okay.
Have you seen it? The devil wants to pluck out my eyes. The only eyes I have.
God forbid. It won't work. Just calm down. What of Ifoma?
Ifoma went to the hospital. He went there with Njoko.
Thank God. At least now we know exactly where he is.
Yes, we know where he is.
Let me call her on the phone.
What?
I'm sorry, Mrs.
Doctor, is there nothing you can do? You can do something.
Yes, doctor, you need to do something, even if it's drip or tablet.
Doctor, we just got married.
You never even tell.
For now, he can be taking the drugs I prescribed for him while we wait for a miracle.
Doctor, see, is there no artificial classes? Is there no nothing
you can do?
I have done the best I can. Sure.
There's something that cannot deliver.
No.
Something can still.
Now put yourself together, Mrs. Obinna.
You see, doctor, I mean, you cannot, even if it's or even water, all this
Mr. Njoko, I have done
How can I stop crying? I cannot stop crying when I almost lost you.
I'm still alive. I'm here with you. It's okay now. It's okay. How do you want me to feel? What did the doctor say?
Nothing. He said you'll be fine. He said you'll soon be discharged.
You have talked to me. What did he say?
Nothing. He said you'll soon be discharged.
Okay. It's okay. Can you stop? Can you stop crying? It's okay. I'm alive, that's what matters.
Sir, you called me.
Yes. Have you given Mr. Obinna his drugs?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. I'm going out for lunch now. Make sure you keep a close observation on him.
Okay, sir.
And make sure he has enough rest.
No problem, sir.
Okay, you can go now.
Alright, sir.
Your phone has been ringing. It's Mama. She has been calling, so I decided to bring it for you to answer.
10 missed calls.
Yes, 10 minutes calls. She has been calling, and I know why she's calling. Maybe she wants to know how Obinna is faring, so you can talk to her.
Okay, come on, let me call her.
Hello. How are you feeling? Hope you are getting yourself. Oh, the doctor is nice.
Our phone is now off.
Yes, since 2 days now we don't have lights. Maybe she's looking for a way to charge her phone. So do you still have another dream?
About this. Oh.
I'm not worried, just tell me. You are the one worried, always crying.
Ma, the patient is supposed to be sleeping by now. Huh? Just allow him, okay?
You heard what she said. You need to sleep.
Baby, don't bother about me. Just tell me, what did the doctor say? Tell me, why are you hiding it from me?
Sir, you're supposed to be sleeping by now. If you don't, your blood pressure is going to go high and it's not good for you. Whatever you need to know, just wait till tomorrow morning, okay? I will tell you. You need to rest, please.
To sleep. Oh, I have to sleep.
Okay, ma, whatever you need, just ring the bell, okay? It's fine. It's going to be okay. Alright, good night.
Thank you.
She said you should sleep.
How is my son?
Hello, Mama, your son is fine. He's very, very fine. I said let me come and see you to let you know that your son is fine.
Are you telling me the truth?
Mama, I cannot lie to you now. Are you not Obinna's mother?
Did you see him?
Okay, not only that I saw Obinna, I spoke with the doctor. The doctor said that...
Did you speak with Obinna?
I spoke with Obinna. In fact, the doctor said that he will discharge Obinna very soon.
Soon?
Yes.
I want to go and see him.
Mama, calm down.
I want to go and see him.
Okay. Mama, to see Obinna is not a problem. Coming to this place first is to let you know that your son, Obinna, is fine. But for now, I want to get to my house, get something first. Then while going back to the hospital, I'll come and pick you so that you see your son and confirm that I'm not lying to you. Mama, I cannot lie to you.
Don't lie.
Obinna is fine. Obinna is fine. I said, let me come and see you first. In fact, for now, you have to start preparing something so that while going, I'll eat small before taking some food to Obinna.
So Obinna will eat.
Just so once I get there, we'll still give Obinna to eat. Yes, ma. Don't cry, yo.
I will cry.
I'm now important. And we just got married. How now? No, how?
God has reasons for everything.
No, if God let this happen, then this is so unfair. I'm the only son. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It's okay. We'll go through this together. We'll be fine. No, I have to see the doctor. Something needs to be done. I have to see it.
Mr. Obinna, there is nothing we can do. Another surgery will complicate everything.
Doctor, I don't mind. Let's do anything. I don't mind taking the risk. I can't live like this now. I just got married.
No, you don't understand. You might lose your life.
I don't care.
No. My love, did you hear what he said? He said you might lose your life.
Forget what he said. It's very much that something like that will happen.
No. Just concentrate on getting better.
My love, I have faith that nothing will happen. It's not possible now. I'm the only son, no. I'm the only son. Don't you get it? Doctor, go on with the surgery.
No.
Mrs. Obinna, please talk to your husband. Okay?
I will.
Doctor.
I don't know what to do.
Ifeoma. Yeah, how are you? Yes, your mommy is fine. How is he? Has the doctor discharged him?
Let me talk to her.
You want to talk to her?
Adanne, how are you? Are you eating at all? Okay, how is he? Which hospital is he in? I'll be there first thing in the morning. Why? Okay, no problem.
Is anything the matter?
He's fine.
He's fine.
But she said I should not bother coming.
That's what I told you. I told you severally to calm down.
You won't understand.
You say, don't worry. Just go inside, okay? Go inside, prepare for me, I'm coming.
Doctor, I didn't know drugs can be taken to boost his sperm count.
No. This has nothing to do with his sperm count. He has a pelvic fracture, which has damaged the nerves of his penis.
Hey!
Right now, blood no longer flows to his penis.
Hey! No hope, doctor!
I wish there's something I can do. I have to go now.
Doctor, you can't do something!
No, stop now. You are getting yourself worried, and I don't like it. I don't like it.
Joko, hold it right there. Leave me alone. It's 2 weeks, 2 whole weeks now. I have not seen my son. And you are telling me he's okay. I don't think he is fine.
I don't know how else to explain this thing to you that Obinna is fine. I told you that Obinna, your son. Okay, you want to, even if you want to see Obinna, not now, but at least you've discussed with Obinna.
Discussed with Obinna. I know I have talked with him on phone, but he might be pretending that he's well when he is not well. Joko, is it too much to ask that I want to see my son? Is it too much?
All these old women, and the market itself. You discussed with Obinna, and now you are telling me that it might be possible that Obinna will be pretending that he's fine.
Yes.
How? How can somebody pretend that he or she is fine? You spoke with Obinna and you heard his voice.
Njoku, do you want me to shout now?
Mama,
do you want me to shout?
No, I said
I want to see my son.
Okay, now, Mama, I spoke with the doctor. Not even speaking with the doctor. I discussed with the doctor face to face. The doctor told me that he will discharge Obinna very soon. Very soon, Obinna and Alawalota here.
Every time, soon, very soon, very soon. When is this going to be? Well, how soon is this one? How soon?
Mama, soon can be tomorrow, soon can be this evening.
And it can be next year.
Okay. Nah. Mama, Obinna is fine. You talk to Obinna. Obinna spoke with you. You heard his voice. Obinna self, you don't know that one here.
Everything looks normal, but we have to observe you for at least 1 more week before we can discharge you.
Okay, doctor. Thanks for everything.
It's okay. Yeah. Give him his drugs. Alright, take care.
Thank you, doctor.
No. How was your night?
My night was fine, and yours?
Perfect, I'm fine. I cooked a very delicious breakfast for you. So you get up and eat.
Oh, Mama, you don't have to worry. That's why I have a wife.
I have to bother. It behoves me to cook for you and your wife. So you have to stand up and eat. Or do you want me to go and call your wife? Eh?
Don't worry. You can call her so eat.
Okay, I'll do just that.
My love, good morning.
How are you? Fine. My babies.
What babies? My love, are you alright?
Of course I'm alright. Our baby.
No, I don't think. No, you're having fever. Come, let me give you your drugs.
No, I'm fine. Do I look sick? Come. Do I look sick? I'm fine.
Are you sure?
My friend, I am so happy for you.
Congratulations! Give me. Oh!
Thank you.
How old is he?
4 weeks.
Wow. Tell me, how does it feel to be pregnant? How do you feel? Sleepy? Do you vomit? Do you speed? Do you feel happy, excited?
It's a very unique feeling, very special. See this feeling? There is none like it. The best feeling in the whole world.
I can imagine. It's a feeling that every woman wants.
You know, right?
But I don't know if I will ever get to feel that way.
Don't say that. Do not. Do not, because see this man called God. He works in a very mysterious way. Very different. He will make it happen.
No. But my case is different.
My friend, relax. God is also different. Trust me.
Hey,
fine, very soon I don't be busy. And Yanya should go inside.
No, I won't let him go inside. It must be there.
It's to push it like
you're not pushing. I will shock you.
Mama, you called me. Yes, I did. Please sit down. Sit down.
Is there any problem?
No, but I am worried. I am really worried about my son's condition. You see, each time I remember that my son can never father his own children, it breaks my heart.
Mama, I have told you to stop worrying. God knows why he let it happen. And I believe it's to the glory of his name. Oh?
My baby, you are an angel. You are an angel. After everything that happened, you still love my son unconditionally. God will bless you. God will continue to bless you, my child.
Amen, Mama. Is that why you're sitting here like this? You know I don't like seeing you this way.
I'm sorry. I won't do that again. I will not.
It's
okay. This is serious. Have you told his mother about it? Why? You should tell her. She is the only one who can talk some sense into his head now.
Mama, what if he gets angry with me for reporting him to his mother after explaining himself to me?
Obinna will not get angry with you. He will understand the fact that you're worried about him. He will understand. And it's better you tell the mother now, because from the way you're sounding, it's as if...
God forbid.
I don't understand. So, can you to throw woji to put your one here behind I don't. Nah, the way you. Let's do whatever we're going to do right now.
Is that why you brought me out here? I'm late to church.
You are late to church. We are already close to the church. But listen to me. You have to try this man's drugs. Honestly, from what I heard that this man's drugs is very, very effective. Once you just hit and boom, one shot, whatever you see from your woman's body is automatic.
Why is it hard for you to understand something? I've told you severally what the doctor said. It will not be. What written don't be. It cannot work.
Obinna, you are the one that is not understanding what I'm trying to say. Doctor said, have you tried the one that I'm telling you? Doctor is a human being.
Because I know it will not work.
It will not work?
Yes.
That's your own conclusion. Obinna, try this thing. I believe so much that if you try this thing, whatever you will shoot to your wife's stomach is automatic missile. Bomb itself. You feel the plan one self, 3 go come out.
My brother, this thing I faith too. I have faith in God, not all this medicine when you do.
Doctor said, doctor not human being.
What is it? Yeah. What is this one called? Is this madness or what? Ifeoma, are you sure of what you are telling me?
Mama, he does it every morning. He claims that is the only thing that makes him happy. But I know that deep down in his heart, he is hurting.
Well, I have to talk to him. I'll talk to him. But, I would want to see this with my eyes. I want to see him do this. Can I?
That one is not... Mama, he does it every day, like I said. Any morning you want to see it, you see it. Every morning. Every morning. Every morning.
Okay.
Does it?
Okay.
And I'm getting worried.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll have to talk to him. I will.
My love, good morning.
Good morning, my love. How are you?
I'm fine.
I woke up and you were not by my side.
I want to quickly wash these clothes before making breakfast.
But you could have woken me up at least to say hello to my babies. Okay, stand. I need to speak to them. Good morning, my babies. How was your night? Daddy loves you. You have no idea how this makes me feel.
Can I continue with the washing?
Oh yes, you can.
Obinna.
Mama!
Please come, my son.
Please don't stress yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Do I look sick?
You are not okay. You don't seem okay to me. What was that you were doing to your wife? Huh?
Oh, that... It's nothing, Mama.
No, don't tell me it's nothing. You were talking to your wife's stomach. Why?
Mama, why are you working yourself up for nothing? It's nothing. I'm just more like proclaiming faith. It's nothing serious.
Faith, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Now, are you sure you are fine? Are you sure? I'm worried.
Mama, stop worried about what is nothing. Okay? I'm fine. Mama, I actually want...
How are you managing?
I am fine.
Fine. Look at you. You are pretending.
You can confide in me. Am I not your friend again? Or is it because I'm not a baby?
I am fine. There is nothing to talk about.
Oh, if you say so. How is your husband?
He's fine. And my small husband, your brother, how is he?
That bag of trouble. He's fine.
So what do I offer you? Water?
Anything. Butewe.
The only thing I can give you here is water.
Butewe, anything.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright.
The way you are eating this orange, don't you want to eat good food? Eat food now.
Mama, no. The fruit is okay.
How can the fruit be okay? If not for just one thing. Because you are behaving so strangely these days. If not for one thing, I would have said that. Maybe you are pregnant.
Mama, you know that is impossible. It's just fever, but I'll be fine.
But you have to eat food. At least when you eat food and drink your drugs, it will work together.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
is it though?
Everything you have listed here are signs of pregnancy. But you and I know with the existing circumstances that it is very confusing.
My dear, that is why I am here. That is why I am here. I am so confused myself. I am so confused. Because I know that there's no way it can happen. No way.
Have you completely eliminated fever?
My dear, I have been trying to convince myself to think along that line. But each passing day gives me reasons to think otherwise. Each passing day.
Hey. That means I need to talk to her. I need to come and talk to her so that I'll convince her to tell me the truth.
I know you need to. You have to. Because that's a girl I love so much. Please. At least let her confide in us.
I will come and talk to her.
Please, you have to.
Mama, I am not pregnant. If I'm pregnant, I will know. I'm not a child.
If you're pregnant, you will know. It is written all over you, Ifoma. It's written all over you from your head to your toe. You look pregnant.
Mama, I don't look pregnant. You and my husband's mother should stop exaggerating. I'm fine.
You call it exaggeration? Okay. When was the last time you saw your period?
I think last month. You think? You're not sure?
When last month?
I can't remember.
Ifoma, go inside. Get dressed. We're going for a pregnancy test immediately.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I am not arguing with you. What I want us to do is what they call elimination process.
That's all. Okay. No problem. Because me and I'm not pregnant. I will go. Move and get ready.
This one, your face is like this. Hope all is well.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're not fine. Look at your face. Did Obinna offend you?
No, not at all. I'm on my way to somewhere. I will see you later,
Okay. Something is wrong with her. And I'll find out what it is.
Calm down.
No, I'm asking you.
No, calm down.
Mama, stop telling me to calm down.
Hey.
How can I calm down?
My wife is 2 months pregnant and I'm not responsible for it. And you're telling me to calm down.
My love, I know this whole thing is confusing to all of us. But I have never slept with any other man.
Then how come you're 2 months pregnant? How come? Are you not married?
My love, don't you believe me? You don't trust me anymore.
I asked you a question. Who got you pregnant?
No.
Mama, stop telling me Ozugo. Not her. Say it. Who got her pregnant?
We will talk about it. Ozugo.
Don't you know where this pregnancy came from?
This is unbelievable.
I still pray for you.
Don't know where the pregnancy.
Betray you. Let's betray you. But look how you make
Ifoma, my
me
daughter.
feel.
Adan Demono. You know that we are your parents. Please, can you tell us who got you pregnant?
Papa.
My daughter.
How can you even be asking me that kind of question? I have never slept with any other man. This pregnancy is still a mystery to me.
Ifoma, think. Think. It is only a woman that knows who got her pregnant. Think, maybe you have forgotten.
But there is nothing to think about. Think about what?
If I am pregnant, then it's my husband that is responsible for it.
Ifeoma, everybody knows that your husband is important.
I know.
You know. Ifeoma, you know. If truly you know, then tell us. How did an impotent man get you pregnant?
I've done everything for you, oh. I still dey pray for you, oh. I can't betray you. I can't betray you. But look how you make me feel.
Do you believe her?
How can I believe her, Mama? She's obviously cheating on me with another man.
But I don't see Ifeoma doing something like that.
That's the problem. She's doing it because she believes no one is going to suspect her.
No, but I still do not believe that she can do a thing like that.
Then why is she pregnant? No, why is she pregnant?
I still dey pray for you, oh. I can't betray you. I can't betray you. But look,
trying to finish all the bottles of beer that is in this joint will not solve your problem. You need to go home and settle with your wife. Taking all these beers will not help you.
So what do you want me to do?
Fine. What I want you to do now is to go to your house, make peace with your wife. That is the thing. Here are wine again. If you like, finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can never bring solution. The solution here is to go to your house and have a peace talk. Just settle, try to know the rooted details of everything.
She's the last person I want to see.
Last person you want to see?
Yes. She can go to hell.
Who can go to hell? It's your wife that we are talking about here. And you are telling me that she's the last person that you can see. That she can go to hell. Obinna, calm down. Wait. Keep the cup first.
Yeah. Hey. Ifeoma, where is my son? Ifeoma, where is my son? Why are you looking at me like that? My son has never been out from the house by this time. He has never been this late. So, what is happening? Ifeoma, please, I am begging you in the name of God. Tell us who got you pregnant so that my son will not die.
Mama, so you believe I got pregnant for another man?
Why are you asking me this question? Why? Because you know as much as I do my son's condition, or don't you? Or do pregnancies enter through the mouth? Do they?
Mama, I know we know his condition, but I have never slept with any other man either. I love my husband so much and I can never cheat on him. My body belongs to him.
Oh, shut up. You are a liar. You are a blatant liar. How can you be saying that? Now listen, let me tell you. Just begin to pray. Just begin to pray so fervently that nothing happens to my son. Because if anything happens to him, this whole state will not contain the two of us. I am telling you honestly, it will not.
I can't betray you. I can't betray you. But look how you make me feel. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to hurt you. I'm so sincere to you. Truth will find its way. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to hurt you. I'm so sincere to you. But truth will find its way. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. I want you. Sincere to you. Truth will
don't touch me.
What kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again.
Tell this house.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Where did you find him? Where did you see him?
The issue is that he's fine. He's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, he's fine. He's fine. It's fine. If you know what?
Are you sure he's fine?
No, he's fine. He's fine. Just it's like he took essence of Heineken. Let's just let's see outside. Let's see outside. Obinna, let's see outside.
It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you, but truth will find its way. What kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again.
Honestly,
I need somebody to explain it, cause I'm losing my mind.
Joking.
What kind of life is this?
You're one person that knows how much I love Obinna. I can never cheat on him. He is my all. You know our story, you know our love life. I can't even be saying this.
you see, you are talking as if I don't believe you, or I don't know. Everybody knows that you love Obinna, but I don't understand.
Joko, I know this whole thing is unbelievable. I wish there's something I can do to make everybody believe I'm telling the truth, because I'm saying the truth.
It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am.
Stop crying.
I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you.
Just look at what you did to me.
Fine. I said calm down. Stop crying.
What kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe.
If you were sure you did not sleep with any man, stop being scared.
To explain it,
I don't understand. Obinna has not spoken to me in the past 2 days. All he does is go out and drink himself to stupor.
What is your mother-in-law saying about this?
She's not helping at all. She thinks I am pregnant for another man. This whole thing is becoming so unbearable for me.
Stop. Wow. I understand what you're going through, my friend. I do. You have to be strong. Please.
To neglect them and you threw me out. Mama yo, me I don't understand oh. I'm losing my mind.
Please talk to me.
I've given you so
Your silence is killing me.
to trust me.
We cannot continue living like this.
Exactly. I can't continue living with a liar and a cheat. Tell me who got you pregnant. If you don't tell me who got you pregnant, then you will explain to the owner tomorrow evening.
You reported me to the owner.
Well, why won't I? Why won't I?
I thought you knew me. I know this whole thing is confusing, but a benefit of that from you would do.
This is unbelievable. You cheated on me. You cheated on me. Look how you're sounding all calm. All calm. You want me to pity you?
It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am.
And I should look at your face. That's what you want me to do. Look at your face and pity you. While at my back you're doing so many filthy things.
But truth will find its way. What kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again. I need somebody to explain it, 'cause I'm losing my mind. What kind of life is this?
What is it?
I don't know who to believe again.
Sorry. Sorry for what? Have you come to tell me who got you pregnant? Have you?
I wish I know. But I'm as confused as everyone. I wish I know.
Then why are you here? Why are you here?
I'm sorry for everything. We used to be a very happy family. But this pregnancy has changed everything. My husband no longer talks to me. And my husband said I disgust him.
Oh, don't give me that. Ifeoma, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you for what you have done to this family. I hate you for putting my son through a lot of pains. What do you think of it, Ifeoma? If you were not comfortable living with my son after the accident, why did you pretend you were? Why?
No, Mama, I'm okay with it. I have never stopped loving or caring for my husband. The accident changed nothing.
Will you shut up? What do you mean? You are a pretender. A serious one at that. Now leave my presence.
What kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again. I need somebody to explain it.
Nai, what are we going to do now?
You see, this whole issue lies in the hands of the woman. As it stands now, it is left for the woman to decide on Ifeoma's fate.
Try as much as I do. Everything in me is forcing me with my motherly instinct to believe she's telling me the truth. But circumstances and conditions are telling me she's lying to us.
You see, Ifeoma. For me, I don't know what to believe. But I still feel it's very, very shameful for my daughter, our daughter, to be chased out of her husband's house because of infidelity. Hey!
I need to go and talk to her.
Please, you do.
I really need to go and talk sense into her. Let me convince her to talk to me. If she must lie to everybody,
bam! That is what we are saying.
If she can tell me the truth now, convince our in-laws, we settle it at home. Before this disgrace is clothed all over us.
You see,
what kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again.
Ifeoma, are your ears open? Listen to me. I am your mother. Why don't you tell me the truth, even if you must lie to every other person? Tell me the truth. Let me find a way and resolve this thing before they bring the woman in. Yes? You don't know my own mother. Yes. If you don't believe me, I equally understand. I understand. You talk as if you don't understand what is happening. You have an impotent husband and you are pregnant. I know that you're trying to dodge the shame that will be attributed to you being pregnant for another man. I understand. But don't forget that Obinna loves you very much. Obinna will do everything in his power to protect you. He will forgive you and he will cover up this sin. What is your own? Let us know how we do this. Because, Mama, at this point,
I do not have anything to say again. I leave it to God. Since nobody wants to believe me, I leave it to God like God.
No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you. Truth will find its way.
You mean all this have been going on and you've not called to tell me? If not for Iberi, I wouldn't have found out.
I'm so confused. I do not even know who to talk to anymore. Nobody seems to believe me. Nobody.
What about me? Why do you find it difficult to talk to me?
It's not like that.
It's like how? Look at you. You are now a shadow of yourself. Where is that Obinna? Why will he even think that you are cheating on him? I need to talk some senses into him. Where is he?
But truth will find its way.
Amen.
You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you. You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you. I am sorry.
I heard everything that happened. How could Ifeoma do this to you? After all the love you've shown her.
My dear, it's unbelievable.
Hi.
And the worst is that she kept on denying that she never did it.
The mad safe. I heard that you've reported her to the woman now.
Of course.
That's good. I know she's lying. She cheated. I know she's lying.
To you, but truth will find its way. You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you.
Where are you going to?
You should let me love.
Has it gotten to this point? Even if the whole world would not believe me, I expect you to stand by me. You disvirgin me, remember? If I didn't do all that in my father's house, why would I do it now as a married woman? Why?
What are you trying to do? To blackmail me emotionally? No, is that what you're trying to do? To blackmail me emotionally? Come on, you're bigger than this.
No, I just want you to
Don't touch me. Believe you how? Believe you how? How on earth will I believe you?
Obinna.
I don't know who to believe. To explain it.
This is not the kind of move my brain for. This is not the kind of move my brain for. This is not the kind of move my brain for.
Ifeoma, what we want from you is nothing but the truth. Who got you pregnant?
My husband.
Who is your husband? Moabu Obinna, your husband. Obinna Cello. Calm down, wait. Listen, we all know that your husband was involved in an accident which took away his ability to get pregnant to a woman. So who got you pregnant? She's talking to a child.
Hey! What are you saying? Hey, my dear?
That you're 2 months pregnant. 3 months after your husband had an accident. Tell us who is having an affair with you. Who is that man that is having an affair with you?
Uncle, I have never had an affair with any other man. I will never dishonor my husband like that. My body belongs to him. My body belongs to just only him.
Calm down. Then we should calm down.
Cool down, please. Though what she is saying looks so suspicious. But Ifeoma I know cannot do that kind of a thing. She's a responsible girl.
Responsible indeed.
Yeah.
See, listen, go in there and pack your things and leave our son's house now. And tell your people that we are coming to collect our bride price that we pay on your head.
Did you hear?
Tell them.
He said you should go in and pack your things. Leave immediately.
Obinna, say something. You don't want me to leave. Obinna, you want me to leave? Obinna, you want me to go?
I'm respecting you people.
Obinna,
No, ma. What is the case? She's a very already.
Giving you so many reasons for you to trust me.
Okay, we can't after.
What is
it? And then there.
What is it? Giving you so many reasons for you.
Mama, they asked me to leave. And Obinna did not say anything. Obinna wants me to leave.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright.
I want to get off it. I've lost my home.
No.
My husband.
Stop crying. You are welcome in my house. Before you still have us. Don't cry, my daughter, okay? It's okay, my daughter. I have told you. We are here for you. It baffles me the way you see things sometimes. It's obvious that she's having an extramarital affair. If not, how did she get pregnant?
What about before the accident?
See, the accident happened a day after their wedding.
There is every possibility, my brother. Listen, it takes one shot. One. Why are you me? Why are you bothering yourself?
She's 2 months pregnant. And their wedding was 3 months ago.
It does not mean stop bothering yourself.
My heart, you are my all in all.
Stop bothering yourself.
Mama, Obinna, stop now. You know what? No more, let's go.
No. I'm staying here today. Obinna, let's go now. Well, it's no transfer. Today, I'll drink.
Have you seen what you've cost you? No. Have you seen the cost now? Have you seen it? You know very well that you cannot stay without your wife. You know that without, in fact, Obinna, stop. Stop. You know very well that you cannot stay without your wife. Then why did you collide with Obinna to chase your wife away from your home? Have you seen what you cost? Or you think drinking will solve all these problems? It will not. It's better you go to your house and start settling this thing like a man.
I don't want to see her.
You don't want to see her?
She lied to me. Give me anything. She lied to me.
I know she lied to you. But how many times will you keep saying this? She lied to you, she lied to you, she lied to you. Fine. Obinna, don't drink again. Let's go.
No. Let's go.
John, you see that girl? She no wise at all. If na me, I no go. We go die for that marriage. Why I go? Person will pay my bride price.
Wait. That one na man. As in that book na man. If na my kind of man, I go make sure say I kill him. Bury him. Even Omunna people don't know say I don't kill him. I go make sure say I bury him for near my sock away so that only no shit. As in they gonna arrest ya.
John, you will at all. Person will take risky. Get belly outside for you. You for keep am secret, hide it.
Which kind of secret way they talk about?
You know won't get replacement.
Which kind that one a replacement? As in that one now, where we can now the flip and the replacement.
This sure can make share.
Oh, even oh, Ngama Mushi Yakara Mama.
Go sit down.
Why go sit down?
So you such a if na me, such a thing happen. My husband supposed to hide it. We go package and nobody go know. The guy na mumu. Now you no do like that so.
You go there, they put one for waiting on concern.
Before as you no fit do the thing, another person come.
I don't go fit do. I don't get that kind of
thing. Then go treat yourself.
Now your treatment. We had this one.
Njoko, do you have any other work doing? If they say make everybody bring money for NEPA, you don't go bring. This one don't go bring. If they say bring money for soccer, we don't fool.
Njoko, no. Now you pay the NEPA bill. You dey pay for my NEPA bill.
You yourself, you are not good in anything. You don't even have a man in your life. The one way you get, all the men that have been coming close to you, anyone that comes, just for almost that one will die. Then you are even here advising this one that I know. And you let every cover a long wine.
Hey.
And you are here talking.
See, as a wedding, that's when they said the land. Wedding bring this insult this early morning.
No, the insult is
that's where
you as big as you are this early morning, you cannot even others don't come out. You see people where they work don't go work. Even me now, and although I never get work, but I'm preparing to go somewhere. People where they work don't come out.
Njoko.
Lazy people.
Hold on. So if they support person wey no fit pregnant woman, if they support her, abi they support him.
At least the girl don't prove say she be woman. You even you come on abortion.
Why the person don't get work?
You never do.
Why the person don't get work? Who tell you say I don't get? Other people they come out for morning. Me I dey work for night.
What kind of work do you work in?
I work out in the night. I register.
You get job. You get work. You dey work.
See, make I tell you people for the last time. Make una not try discuss anything about my man. Obinna is not owing you. Obinna is not owing you. If you want to discuss anything, discuss to if una don't reach to man itself. Talk again, make I not change for this year.
Better the same feather.
Obinna your man.
Yes, I don't.
Better the same feather. Not go.
At least Obinna get hope.
Don't marry your own.
Obinna get hope. You not be your mate to build this house. Only for
you go collect NEPA bill. You go pay the NEPA bill to NEPA. So you don't collect NEPA bill for Njoma. Collect for Eliza.
In the O. This one wey dey talk. In the O.
What can I do for you?
If I'm calling you, you calm down now so that you know where I'm
If you are calling me, I should calm down.
Yes.
So, if you calm down and talk to me or even call my name Njoku, you will not answer your name again. By the way, why are you shouting my name like that? Are you the one that gave me that name? Or give me the man? Huh? Are you my matada or my patada? Average, what can I do for you? Why shouting my name?
I want to confirm something from you.
Which is?
Is it true that Ifeoma's in-laws threw her out of the house?
Hold on. Are you trying to get information from me? Or you want to give me information? Which one?
I want to confirm it.
You want to confirm it?
Yes.
Okay, see, you know very well that Obinna is my very good friend. And whatever I tell you now might be lies. Do you understand? But if you want to get the truth about Obinna and the Ifeoma, which is the wife, you have to. Okay, I say, are you seeing that pole? Are you seeing that pole? When you get to that pole, go round like 2 times, take your left. When you take your left, take like 3 poles. You come back to that same pole, the initial pole. Then you take your right. After 3 poles again, you get to the market. From there, then ask of Obinna's house.
Small something. I want to ask you. You cannot confirm it for me.
What is your advantage? In fact, what is your benefit trying to know this answer?
Are you not Obinna's friend?
Yes, I'm Obinna's friend. And how is it your business to know if Obinna and Ifeoma is not living again?
You should know. You are his friend.
Then if I know, I should tell you.
Yes.
Women, sir. You are not even in your husband's house. You are not even in your boyfriend's house. You want to get information of somebody that is already married and you want to know if they've divorced. Women, You think that the only person that is divorced is a woman that is out of the husband's house. Boyfriend and girlfriend is a divorcee. Any girl a man dump is a divorcee.
If you are still crying, you cannot continue like this. My friend, crying every day will change nothing. It will not add to anything. You just have to be strong. You have to be strong.
How can I be strong? How can I be strong? How can I be strong?
My friend, see, there is another life growing inside of you. For the sake of this child, you have to eat and live your life no one again. Hey, please try. I know. I know. See, if you are sure this child belonged to Obinna, there is no need to be worried. You just have to take care of this child. Whatever love you have given to Obinna, transfer it to this baby. My husband is traveling out of the country next week. You can come and live with me.
So sincere.
Uncle, there are no possibilities. I know what I'm saying.
Think, my son. Are you sure about this?
Think about what now? What am I thinking about? You asking me, self, think about what you're saying. The accident happened 3 months ago and she's 2 months pregnant. And you're telling me to think.
Obinna, my son, you need to think very well about this because I would not like you to regret about this action.
Regret? Uncle, please, I don't like this thing. I don't like it. The pregnancy is not mine, period.
My heart, you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you.
So it's true. Obinna has finally done it. I knew it. Obinna is so wicked. How are you? How am I? No, I should be asking you that question. Men, they are so wicked. They promise us this one and they turn around to do the other one. Anyways, how are you?
You have seen me now. I am alive. That is the only thing I owe myself, to be alive.
It's okay. The Lord is your strength.
Amen. Amen.
But you see, Obinna, Chineke naga oyoko.
God forbid.
God forbid what? God forbid what? Oh, you want to defend him?
No, it's just a mere misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding indeed. Look at you.
Yes. Sorry.
Obinna, do you want to kill yourself? No.
I need somebody to explain.
Why are you behaving as if it is the end of the world for you? Why? Ever since Ifeoma left this house, you have always gone out in the morning, by night you come back. Drunk! You drink yourself to stupor every night. What is your problem? Is Ifeoma the only woman on earth? Is she? You act as if the whole world is against you. Why are you doing this to yourself? Ma'am, you have forgotten to do anything in the house. You don't take care of any other thing. Even your business, no. Just take a look at yourself. You look so terrible. You look terrible. My dear, please. You have to move on. You have to move on. We even thank God that we were able to know who this girl is on time. You have to really move on. There are so many girls out there. Please get one and get married to that one.
Mama, honestly, as it stands now, I don't trust any woman in this life. Not after what Ifeoma did to me. I can never. Please, I just love my life the way it is now. Nobody to say, who are you, who called you, or all these things. I just love my life the way it is. Please, don't worry about me, I'm fine.
You are not fine. You are not fine. You have to trust somebody. It is not going to happen again. There are so many girls out there.
I said I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm very fine. Just leave me alone.
I cannot leave you alone. I cannot leave you alone. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about it. I cannot just sit down and watch my only son drifting into nothingness because of one woman that does not respect him, one woman that does not even care about him. No.
Please, I just want to stay on my own and be myself. Please.
In the morning, we have to talk. I'm not talking about it in the morning. It has to be this night.
You can stay now. Let me
stay where? You are not leaving this room. You are not leaving anywhere. Now you have to sit down. We have to talk about it.
Now, I don't have strength to talk about anything. Please. Mama, wrap on
I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out. Mama, yo, me I don't understand, oh, I'm losing my mind.
My daughter, I still believe you, but I'm so confused. And Obinna, on the other hand, is not helping matters.
Uncle, please help me. Help me and talk to Obinna. This pregnancy belongs to him. Uncle, I have never ever thought of cheating on Obinna, let alone doing it. I have never.
Okay, stop crying. I will talk to him more, okay? Stop crying. I will talk to him more. All I need from you is to take good care of yourself. Be strong for this baby. I will talk to him the more, okay?
I cannot be strong. Help me.
Stop crying. Stop crying. I will talk to him, okay? I will talk to him.
I've given you so many reasons for you to trust, but you choose to neglect and you threw me out.
Wow, this food is delicious.
Me, I don't understand.
Your daughter has killed me. Your daughter has killed me. Ifeoma has turned me into the laughing stock in this village. Hey!
Mommy, Ifeoma, why can't you allow me to enjoy this food? See, let me tell you. Ifeoma is a good girl. All she needs now is for you to believe in her. She's a good girl.
She's a good girl?
Yes.
She's a good girl. Everybody says she was pretending. I told her. Have you not noticed the situation and the circumstances surrounding this whole thing? Can you manage it? She said yes. Now, how did she get pregnant? How did she get pregnant from an impotent husband?
It's okay, Mami Ifeoma. All our daughter needs now is our support. Let us support her for once.
Hi.
I thought you were not there when they did was done. She needs our support, please.
Everywhere I go to, people laugh at me.
Let them laugh. It's okay, my wife.
They say she's a pretender.
Calm down.
Hey!
Calm down. Pico, calm down.
I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out. Mama, yo, me I don't understand, oh, I'm losing my mind. I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out.
Will not help
Mama, yo, Me, I don't
Ifeoma, I have become the laughing stock in the village. Everybody now looks at me and laugh because you don't want to tell us the truth.
Mama, never lied to you before. Have I ever lied to you before? Why would I start lying now? I'm telling you the truth. You have to believe me.
Ifeoma, I understand everything, and I will still understand if you're lying to cover up the fact that you're pregnant for another man. Tell yourself the truth. Now your husband is impotent. Then how come you're pregnant? Mary, how come you're pregnant in your divine conception? Open your mouth and tell me the truth, my daughter. Biko, please.
I wish I have another explanation to this. But you have to believe me. I'm telling you the truth. God is my witness. I am not lying. I'm not lying.
Enough, Ifeoma! Enough! Fine. No problem. Since you want to swallow the truth, swallow it and let it grow alongside that thing inside your womb. No problem! This is about it. Let me go and bury my head in shame. Let me go and bury my head in shame, Ifeoma! God, what kind of mess is this? What kind of mess is this? Why did you give me this pregnancy? Why you know nobody will accept the child? Why? Obinna! Obinna, this was not the love you promised me! Oh, this was not the love you promised me!
Obinna! Obinna, this is not the love you promised me! This is not the love you promised me!
But you choose to leave.
How could he forget?
Me out.
Yes, my miracle! Now God has given it!
I'm losing
Obinna, loving you has cost me so much pain and happiness!
You threw me out.
My love, my life without you is incomplete. I cannot live a day without seeing your face. I love you to the moon.
I love you more.
I promise to always treat you right all the time. Treat you right all the time. Treat you right all the time. Baby, the doctor said...
Okay, what the doctor said and kiss me.
Oh my God, I can't stay with this feeling. I can't stay. I can't stay. I cannot stay. I have to go and stay with my baby.
I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me.
Hello. I'm about leaving the house. I'll be in the city in the next 2 hours. Okay, dear. Thank you.
But you choose to neglect them and you threw me out. Mama yo, me I don't understand oh, I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you, I'm so sincere to you, but truth will find its way.
Udoka! Ifeoma is gone! Ifeoma is gone!
Oh, why can't you people allow me to rest in this?
Hey.
Wait, what did you say?
Ifeoma is gone, no.
My daughter!
Ifeoma is gone.
Ifeoma is gone!
Everything, she came back with her clothes, everything is gone. Ifeoma is not in the room. Ifeoma has gone away from home.
No, don't tell me this. You mean my daughter is not in this room?
What? Check for yourself! She's gone!
It's for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out.
Did you see her?
Mama yo, me I don't understand oh, I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you, I'm so sincere to you.
Are you following her?
Let us search for her now.
Love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all.
Heard about what?
Ifeoma has run out of the house.
Wait, Ifeoma Obinna's wife?
Yes!
Which of the house?
Her father's house. That's where I'm rushing to. Let's go.
What kind of life?
Her father's house? Is that where you are rushing to? Huh? Wait for me, oh! Wait for me.
I need somebody to explain it, cause I'm losing my mind.
What is it now?
You're not going anywhere today.
Mama, which one? Please, I have somewhere important.
I say you're not going anywhere. What is your problem? You go out every day and you come back drunk. Do you want to kill me? This wasn't the son I gave birth to. What is your problem?
Mama, I have somewhere important I need to go.
Oh dear, you are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. It is 2 years now. 2 whole years and you are still the same. I refuse to lose my son, my dearly beloved son, to a loose wife.
What else do you want me to be doing? What else do you want me to be doing? To stay home and I've been thinking all the time. Allow me to just go out. If I meet someone there, we'll talk and I'll forget about
myself. You're not shooting anybody. You go there and you come back drunk. You have to kill me first before you leave this house today. What is it?
What kind of life is this?
Hey, my honey.
I don't know who to.
Good evening. We are fine. Oh, she's inside. She's feeding the kids. I'll call again when she's out. I love you too. Okay. Fine. They are asleep. And I thought you were still feeding them.
I finished feeding them and put them to sleep. I'm tired of those kids.
I was just on the phone with my husband and he wanted to say hello to you, so maybe I'll just call him back so you two can.
Excuse me, my brother. Excuse me. Please. You look troubled. What is the problem?
I don't have time for this nonsense.
Excuse me. My brother, sorry. Sorry for blocking your way. As I was passing, the Spirit of God said something to me about you.
If it's scope, that you want money, I don't have money. See, there's no money. You can ask other people. Yeah, so if not that scope, forget them. I know all those scopes.
It's about the pregnancy. Yes. My brother, your wife is innocent. Yes, the pregnancy belongs to you.
My brother, which pregnancy belongs to me? First of all, who are you and how did you know about my wife's pregnancy?
My brother, I am Pastor K.
So?
And I am telling you what the Almighty God in heaven said I should tell you. Yes, your wife is innocent.
But Pastor Ken, are you aware that I'm impotent?
Oh, ye men of little faith. My brother, that was before. You were impotent, not now. The Lord Almighty God has healed you. If you doubt me, if you doubt the man of God, then you can go for checkup for verifications. Then check if you are okay or not. Every morning you wake up, you prophesy to your wife and ask God for a child. And when the God Almighty gave you a child, what did he do? You rejected it. My brother, you have to accept it. Look for your wife. She is innocent. The baby belongs to you. Yes.
I'm not longer impotent.
The Lord Almighty God healed you. You are healed, my brother Obinna.
In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you. I am sorry. Anger took over.
Come and sit down.
Pastor, you will not understand. I sent my wife packing for nothing. I called her a liar and a cheat.
I understand. Come and sit down first. Have a seat. Come.
Pastor, we sitting solve anything. Sitting will not solve anything.
Listen to me. Any carnal man will do the same, or even worse.
But I should have trusted her at least. I should have trusted her now. I didn't even give her the benefit of doubt. Or even to go for a test result to confirm it. I just kicked her out just like that. Eh? What kind of husband am I?
That's a terrible mistake, but the husband who made a mistake definitely must make up for it. Obinna, you must bring your wife back. You have to go and look for her.
Will she ever forgive me? After all the humiliation, will she ever forgive me?
There is nothing beyond forgiveness.
In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you. I am sorry.
You're welcome. What are you doing here?
Anger took over.
In-laws, please. I'm deeply sorry. I know I'm not worth being part of this family again. But I did what every carnal man out there would do. I felt cheated. I was confused. I didn't know what to do. Please, Bikono, forgive me. I want my wife back, please.
Let me tell you. Ifeoma is no longer your wife. Well, did you know what I said? Your people came the other time and collected their bride price. So please, go get out from my house.
No, please. I know.
Can you imagine?
But I'm ready to pay for the bride price, even double. Please. Forgive me, please. I want her back. Anything to get my wife back, I will do it.
No problem. Anything to get your wife back. Everything you said about my daughter, now anything to get her back. For your information, she is not here.
Sir, ma. First of all, my name is Evangelist Ken. So please, sir, I am here to plead on behalf of Obinna. You know, the Bible made us to understand that without sin there shall be no forgiveness. Please, Obinna here have sinned against you and God. And here today, he has acknowledged his sins. And here asking for forgiveness. Please, sir, let's forgive him. The same way our Father in heaven forgives us.
Hold it there. See, let me tell you, this is a Christian home. And me from Aburaya.
I'm hearing you.
This is a Christian home. The only person Obinna should be asking for forgiveness is Ifeoma, not us. Leave us alone.
Okay. Can I at least know where she is so I can talk to her?
See the way he's sounding very calm. You went and brought a pastor so that he will come and intimidate us. It's not possible. But let me not sound as if I'm a wicked person. Let me just tell it to you the way it is. For 2 years now, because of you, my daughter left this house and we don't even know where she is.
Okay, please.
And you're looking for forgiveness. You want forgiveness? My daughter has left home for 2 years.
Okay, it's okay, sir. It's okay. Take it easy. It's okay. It's fine.
But I want to assure you that anywhere she is in this world, I will look for her and get my wife back.
Also,
but I only need your forgiveness, please. Bikono.
Pastor,
Come and put enmity between us and God.
Please.
Obinna, say that for.
In my heart, you are my all in
Trying to remind me of things I've forgotten. I don't know where my daughter is. For 2 years, because of Rudy, she's the only one that got married.
Nonsense. Can't fall again on my again.
Don't know what I was doing.
Leave me alone. Why did you start beating me? You should have beating him. After everything you did to our family. You're telling me it's okay. How is it okay?
Here. You want to tell me that you believe that man? You believe a man you don't even know from Adam? Now, what of if Ifoma paid him to come and say this?
Mama, please stop. Stop all this, please. I don't like this. I asked God for this and he did it for me. The test result also proves that I'm no longer impotent. Ifoma is the victim here and not the other way around. I feel so bad. I've hurt my wife, rejected her and abandoned her when she needed me most. The only thing on my mind right now is to bring my wife back, to marry her.
Oh, see?
I've been accusing the innocent girl of nothing.
Marry her again?
Of course. You know the one that made sure that woman collected the bride price I paid on her head. You kept on pressurizing me. That girl is innocent. She's innocent. I feel so bad right now.
Okay.
Accusing her for nothing.
Why are you talking as if I am the person that accused her first?
Oh, you started it.
You were the person, you were the husband, and you were the person that accused her first. That then I followed. Eh?
Just be accusing the innocent girl.
My son, you said that the test result said that you are no more important, that you are okay. And now, hey, God, I thank you. I thank you. I don't know how to thank you. At least more like it. I thank you, God. I really thank you.
No, I have to do anything possible to bring my wife back. I have to.
God, I thank you. I thank you for what you have done. This is a miracle. I thank God for doing this for me.
I am lost without you.
Both of you amaze me. You mean you called me because Obinna came to the house and apologized?
Adanni, calm down. He came with a man of God who opened his eyes to reality. Eh? Are you not happy that God is about to vindicate your name?
I'm happy. But I no longer want to be part of that man's life.
Ifoma, my daughter. He needs you in his life. Please come back to him.
I'm not his wife anymore. He should move on with his own life. I've moved on with mine.
See, why don't you tell us exactly where you are? Biko.
Mama, we'll talk some other time. Bye.
Ifoma.
Anger took over. I don't know what I was doing. I am sorry.
The last thing I want to talk about
Please forgive me.
is Obinna. He has made his decisions, and now I have made mine.
Ifoma,
I am not saying that you should forgive him. No, I won't say that. I am only telling you to tell someone where you are. At least your parents.
Nothing has been fair to me. So nobody should expect me to be fair to them.
Ifeoma, I am not saying you should take me back. You know I won't say that.
So what are you saying?
Listen! I was trying to say that the only way you will find peace is when you meet him and open your heart and pour out your heart to him.
No. Obinna does not deserve to stand face to face with me. He does not.
Hey. I do not know you to be a mean person like this, my friend. What is this?
No. I'm not being mean. But you know, in life, situations change you. People bring out something that was never in you out. So I have decided to be selfish with my happiness. At least I owe myself that.
Please forgive me. I am lost without you. Would you find the place in your heart?
I'm going to bring my love back. Your love? Which of your love? Come on, don't be like that. My wife, of course. See, I've come to realize that my wife is innocent. Obinna, which wife are you talking about? Because for me, I know very well that you don't have a wife. The wife you are talking about, is it the one that you chased out of your house? See, must you rub my mistakes to my face? Obinna, must I rub your mistakes on your... See, if I have the opportunity, I will not only rub your mistakes on your face, I will use it and flog you. Yes! When I was warning you, advising you as a friend, Obinna, be very careful, be very careful. You said, no. Now, you are now asking me, must I? I must! As a friend, you don't need to rub my mistakes on my face. The deed has been done. Okay, since you're here, will you accompany me to go look for her? I need to bring her back. I should do what? Accompany you? Two of us chase the girl or chase your wife out of your house. You made the mistake by yourself. So only you should carry your cross. I can only even advise you to go around our neighboring villages. So why did you stop me? I stopped you to know your fate or to know where you are going to. My girl. Just the only advice I will give to you, all the neighboring villages, look for her. You are looking for your wife. You are looking for your wife. Look at you. Now is your wife. Idiot. If you like, if I'm the girl, I will not even accept you again.
But truth will find its way. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am.
Wait, she has been with you all this while?
Yes, she has been in my house.
Oh, Berry. Okay, I'm coming now.
No, you can't come this night. Leave it till tomorrow.
No, I can come.
No, it's not safe. Leave it tomorrow.
Berry, I said I can come. Just send me the address.
Leave it tomorrow. It's not safe.
Okay, if you say so.
Good night.
Good night. Tomorrow then. Alright, bye.
I am sorry. Thank God. Please forgive me. I am lost without you. Would you find the place in your heart to forgive me? I am sorry. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to hurt you, I'm so sincere to you. But truth will find its way. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am.
Okay. Ivana!
I am sorry.
What is he doing here? I called him. You what? You called him?
My love. Please. I know I'm the least expected person you want to see or talk to. Oh, please, hear me out.
There is absolutely nothing to hear you say. You said everything you had to say to me in your house. Oh, please just go.
I don't even know how to apologize. I don't even know what to say to you. But please, I'm sorry.
Obinna, my son and I are extremely happy without you. So go!
She's a son?
Yes. She gave birth to a baby boy.
But this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you, but truth will find its way.
Ozugbo. Primary high game anyhow. Ozugbo. Oh, let us see how we're going to go about this thing.
Mama, I have destroyed the precious gift God gave to me with my attitude.
Obinna, if you ask me, we must go and get them. Yes, we must go and get them no matter what it will cost us. Obinna, this is your son. I mean, your next generation. Obaragi. Nambiko, we have to do something.
Mama, I needed to see the fire in her eyes when she saw me. She was so angry with me. I doubt if Ifoma will ever forgive me.
No, Ifoma will forgive you. Ifoma will forgive you. All you have to do, you'll be going there. You continue to go there. In short, if it means me going with, in short, we will go there, we will live there with them. We will stay there with them. We cannot afford your blood and see another man's name.
I am sorry. Anger took over.
Obinna, even if you come here a million times, I will not forgive you. So stop wasting your time.
My love, please. Remember the love we shared. All the love we promised each other.
Did you just say love? The same love you buried? Obinna, do you know what love is? Love is patience. Love is sacrifice. Love is believing even when there is nothing to believe. Love is always and forever. What did you do? You threw all that away. Don't you ever talk about love because you do not know what it is.
I will never disappoint you.
I know I don't know what love is.
You are my all in all.
But Ifoma,
I'm so sincere.
you are my life.
I am sorry.
Ever since you left, I've been living in shadows. I've been living in darkness.
I was doing.
Please, come back home. Come back to where you truly belong.
Did you feel me? Obinna, this is my home, where I am truly loved and accepted. Please, stop coming here. Stop wasting your time.
Ifoma! Ifoma!
This is what I get.
Ifoma!
Haunt you, I'm so sincere
Mama, please.
to you.
Please, my love, please.
Truth we find.
I'm deeply sorry, please.
It's so hard to believe, but this is who
Mama.
I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you, but truth we find its way. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get.
My darling, you are taking this thing too far. Yes. See, nobody is above mistakes. No. The sad thing here is that he has come to realize that he made a mistake and he is sorry.
There are some wounds that sorry cannot heal. There are wounds that sorry cannot amend.
I know.
Oh, you know?
I know. But hey, everyone deserves a second chance. Give it. Give it, my friend, please.
You know, sometimes I try to forgive him and forget about everything he did to me. It's not working. Because every second of my life, it keeps refreshing in my memory. And you want to know the truth? Obinna and I can never, ever be.
It's not possible again. What about the child?
What child?
The child.
Dira is my child. Remember that this is the same child Obinna turned down. The same child he denied. The same child he rejected. Please, let us allow things to be the way they are.
Oh. I'm so sincere to you. You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all.
Uncle, please. Follow me to Ebere's place. You're the only one she can listen to.
Obinna, but I warned you. You did not listen.
Uncle, I know.
Look at you now.
I know. I was blinded by anger. I've realized my mistakes now. Please, Pico.
Anger took over.
Please, Uncle, please.
Okay.
I don't know what I was doing. I am sorry.
It's all my fault. I shouldn't have accused you wrongly. Please forgive me. Please.
Obinna, my words meant nothing to you. My pleas meant nothing to you. You sent me away when I needed you the most. You acted as if you never knew or loved me.
My love, I'm sorry. I was blinded by anger.
There is wounds sorry cannot heal. If the pastor told you Dira is your son, you wouldn't be here. I understand everybody was confused. I know, but I expected more from you. I expected more from you.
My daughter, I know you are hot. No one went through all these pains and humiliations you went through. All these things happen for a reason, and we have learnt our lessons. Please forgive him. Oh?
You brought Uncle here because you know I cannot say no to him. Obinna, an emotional blackmail. Is that all you could come up with? Is that all?
My daughter, I know it will be very difficult for you. But take your time. Your son needs his father. What if your son asks you of him? What will you tell him?
Uncle, I will tell my son the truth. I will tell him the truth. I just don't want to see this. Obinna, please just go.
My love, please. My love. Please. We need you back. Okay? She's still hot. She'll come down. Okay? Let's go.
My friend, can you say something? I mean, you've been quiet since Obinna and his uncle left this house.
Will I be a bad mother if I refuse giving my son the opportunity to grow up with his father?
Partially, yes. Yes. But you're an awesome person. Eh? You're a good mother. I'm sure Dara will understand why you took such a decision.
I don't know why it's so hard to forgive him. It's so hard.
My friend, I understand. Trust me, I understand everything. But whatever decision it is you want to take on this matter, my husband and I will support you all the way. Trust me.
Thank you so much. I mean, Dara and I are so happy. I don't know what I would do to repay for all the pieces.
Nothing. Your happiness is enough payment, and we're good.
Anger took over me.
Thank you.
I don't know what I was doing. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Did she slap you? No. She did not slap you? Ha. Why did she refuse to slap you? Now she's supposed to slap you.
Well, I wish she did, if that will make her forgive me.
Well, since she refused to do that, I think it's better for me to do that on her behalf, because that is what you totally deserve now. Yes, so that after the slapping, your brain will reset well. What do you think? Huh? Mbogene. Well, there's no problem. After thinking about it, anytime you consider, I can now help her do that. Meanwhile, did you people cook anything?
Like, hold on, let me bring the food.
Come,
on. Trust me.
My girl.
To neglect them and you threw me out. Mama yo, me I don't understand oh. I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to haunt you. I'm so sincere to you, but truth will find its way. You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all. I'm so sincere to you. You should let me love you. I will never disappoint you. In my heart you are my all in all. I'm I'm so sincere to you. I am sorry. Anger took over me. I don't know what I was doing. I am sorry. Please, what kind of life is this? I don't know who to believe again. I need somebody to explain it, 'cause I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what I get. No need to hurt you, I'm so sincere to you, but truth will find its way. I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out. Mama yo, me I don't understand, oh, I'm losing my mind. I've given you so many reasons for you to trust me, but you choose to neglect them and you threw me out. Mama yo, me I don't understand, oh, I'm losing my mind. It's so hard to believe, but this is who I am. I cannot imagine this is what